Hello everybody, hey guys, I hope you're doing great and feeling well from wherever you are watching this video and following us. I'm Mary from hyperpix.net and I'm going to introduce one of the most beautiful styles which we have published lately, which is a so luxury chrome realistic text effect, which our VIP members have loved it so much, and we decided to create a tutorial video for it and show you how you can work easily with this style and convert your text or logo into this so beautiful artwork, which is so eye-catching just with one click, and surprise and impress your customers or your clients and increase the level of your works up to 10 times. So if you want to download this style, just refer to hyperpix.net, join our VIP account, get the membership, and you're going to have access to this style and every single other style you see in our website. So this style, plus working on English, it works on every other single language which you would like to work perfectly. As you see, this is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the details and see how amazing and magnificent it's converted just with one click. And if you follow to the end of the video, you're going to see how easy it is to do so. So let's get started. Just right click on the layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, we have a beautiful complicated text right here, but if you just check it out, it has some letters with a little glyphs and some unusual effects. So this style has some glyphs which you can find them from this catalog right here. So some of the catalogs you can just select them and have different glyphs on them. For example, this is the normal N, and this is an N with this beautiful glyph right here. So this is why we have this selection right here. So I'm going to type my own text right here. Here we go. And the same with the bottom text. And here we go. I'm going to enlarge my text a little. Right in the center, I think it's perfect right here. So the same with the bottom text, I'm going to minimize a little. And excellent. So I'm going to place it right here and done. I think everything's perfect. I'm going to close and click save and wait a moment my style is applied. So as you see our result, how eye-catching and professional our text is turned into this style. Just check out the perfect details, which they're exact and so professional. It's like, honestly, a designer is made this for us, but we've just done it with one click by watching this video. So let's get on with the rest of the layers. We have the first folder, which is adjustments, which is the setting of the contrast and brightness. The next folder is the sparkles right here, which you see the little light reflections right here, and these shines, which you can select them one by one and place them wherever you love, just like this, which they multiply the beauty of your style and make you have a much more eye-catching result. But I just suggest you to put a little effort and have a little patience, place them all in the right place wherever you think that it looks better and has a better result. So also you can get copies of them with alt and drag them anywhere you want and place them all over a text, or even you can just select them and remove any you don't want. So the next part is the text right here, these two texts which you see at the bottom right here, which you can edit them easily. Just enlarge them, minimize them. You could have a total control on everything. Also, you can just remove them. The next folder is effects folder, which we don't need it right here. We just ignore it. You can just switch the extrusion off, which is the 3D effect right here. So you're going to have it like flat. But even if you like the 3D effect, you can just leave it on remaining. So we're done right here. Finally, we have the background folder, which contains many layers, which contains the smoke at the back right here. Also the lights shining from the two sides, left and right, which you can control them, have a handle on them. Also, if you want to change the main color of the style, you can just open the adjustments folder, and from this section right here, just open a hue and saturation group and have a control on all the colors, and get to some beautiful new colors just like this. So as you see, how easy it is to edit and make changes and convert the style to our text. So now we're going to see how we can turn a logo into this style, just as you saw earlier on the video, just with one click. So we come back to this window right here, and I'm going to insert my logo. So I decided to use Rolex logo. So we're going to just drag it here, drop it right here, place it right in the center. We don't need these two texts, we just remove them. So I think the logo is amazing just right here. So we close and click save. So here we have our magnificent result. Just see how brilliant and professional and also easy, in no time our style is applied. The only thing you need to do is to just put the sparkles in the right place and have a little customizations. So I'm not going to take your time, I'm going to show you the final result, which I have made the changes. Earlier on, I placed the sparkles in the right place, and I've also changed the text to the bottom here, and here is the result which we have, which is impressive. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this style, if you like this template, to download it, just refer to hyperpix.net and join our VIP account and get the membership, and they're going to have an access to all of our products and download them and use them in all your projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye to your next video from Mary.